etc, we start with 1 hour chart. Want to see how we can look for trade. As we can see, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned about the possibility for the price to drop, because we have been pointing on the flat, because since most of the charts they had the similar movement. And as we can see, price drop. And if you refer to the indicators, we see the divergence, but we cannot rely on that because the divergence is between these two moves. Okay. And now want to see what's the next if we move to daily chart. All right. As we can see, based on daily chart, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned I want to see one more drop as a wave, then any reversal from there, I will take the trade for buy. But as we can see, the price dropped quite a lot, almost retest the previous low if we don't consider about the shadow, which is around 50. Okay. Now, whether the price can continue or not, we cannot confirm with that. Okay. The only thing is, even if we wants to look for continuation, we need to see the breakout of the 40. With the breakout of the 40, the next one is we're looking for the lowest price of this correction, almost around 30. But right now, for me, if I get any, because I mentioned my last analysis, after the price drop, if we get any reversal, that means if we get any trade setup for buy, this is what we're looking for. And if I move to forward chart, that means if we get any trade setup for buy from now, I will take the trade. Okay, because still we can put this one in relative to this. Any move from here with the breakout of this stop, we can look for buy. Okay, but one thing I need to know, we need to see the reversal, and the indicators doesn't show me any reversal point. That's why we have to wait to get the correction here. If we get any reversal with the sharp move correction, we take the trade for buy. Okay, but one thing I need to highlight, since most of the chart they have a similar movement, if we get a trade, we need to be, monitor it closely. If after we get the trade, it turns to corrective move, we need to know that this one can drop some more and even retest the previous low. But what I'm looking for, I'm looking for buy if I get the reversal. Okay, and right now we cannot confirm with that. How about if I move to 1 hour chart? We have this sharp move, but we cannot rely on that. Okay, I want to see whether I can show you any reversal point similar to what we had here. Okay, even since the price was within this move, we get the sharp move correction, we take the trade. If we get any reversal point similar to what we get here, this is what we are looking for. That means from now, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade, but we don't have any confirmation yet. That means if we want to look for trade either buy or sell, we have to wait for the correction here. And what I'm looking for buy. If I get, it doesn't mean the price is going to reverse. As I mentioned, still we can look for continuation. If we get any correction similar for what we have here, we can look for continuation. But any sell from now is a short-term sell. But more for long term, we're looking for the buy. Okay. And the second is whoever get the trade within this move, they should start to manage it. If they want to keep, at least move their stop loss to break even or take book some profit. But again, if we get a reversal, this is what right now what I'm looking for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank